Hello everyone, this is Harikrishna Reddy Challa from Andhra Pradesh in India. I have done my bachelor's in Madanpalli Institute of Technology and Sciences. From there, got placed in Kerala Global Solutions and worked for 2 years. And now I am here to do my master's in Information Technology and Management at St. Francis College. Now I am here to discuss about exploring Kevin Kelly's technological insights, flowing, screening, and accessing. My team members are Harika Koya, Sandeep Reddy Chanda, Gujjari Akshita. Coming to introduction, welcome to our presentation on Kevin Kelly's technological insights from his book, The Inevitable. Today we will explore the key chapters flowing, screening, and accessing. These concepts describe the rapid digital transformation that is reshaping industries, individual identities, and society as a whole. We will analyze real world examples, discuss disruptions and opportunities, and examine the broader implications of these technological shifts. Table of content. Before we dive in, here's an outline of our presentation. We will cover Kevin Kelly's insights, a brief introduction to his perspective on technology, technological and societal how digital transformation is affecting society, scenarios, real world examples demonstrating these changes, affected individuals and industries, who is impacted the most, disruptions and opportunities, challenges and possibilities created by these shifts, technology's impact on identity and progress, how technology is redefining personal and industrial identity, synthesis of findings, key takeaways and overarching themes, broader implications, what is this means for the future of society, references, Q&A. We'll take your questions at the end. Let's begin. Kevin Kelly's insights. Kevin Kelly, a renowned futurist and author, describes inevitable technological forces shaping our world. In chapter 3, 4, and 5 of The Inevitable, he explores how transformation and digital access are changing industries and individuals. Argues that we are moving away from ownership and fixed structures toward a more fluid, interconnected digital future. These transformations impact how we can communicate, learn, entertain, and business. From here, my friend Sandeep Reddy Chanda will continue. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep. Today I am going to talk about how digital technology is reshaping our world and what the means of for both business and society. We are living in the time of rapid technology changes. Every day we are interacting with the smartphone, apps, and social media and cloud platform, often without even thinking about it. Data is consistently flowing behind the scenes and the screening are everywhere in our lives. And we are accessing more information and service than ever before or any time from anywhere. But it's not about the just about the convincing the changes having deep effect on how we live, how we work, and how we relate to each other. This is the what we call the technology and the society context, how technology and the society influence one another in the fast changes of environment. Let's break into down using three real scenarios how we using digital transform in unfolding. The first one is floating. The first one is floating. Music streams. Let's start with the way we listen to the music. In the past, the people brought CDs or download MP3s. Today, we are streaming everything on platform like Spotify, Apple Music. We don't really own the music anymore. We are just paying for the access. This floating on demand model is super convenience, but it's also shift power to the platform and the algorithm. It's affect how the artists are paid and how music is discovered. The idea of ownership is being replaced by the access, and this happening in the many industries. Second one is the screening, the personal contents. Next, the think about how we consuming the video content platform like Netflix, YouTube, and even TikTok using data to recommend the video based on what we are watching before. This is called screening. Our screens are now personalized. The content we see in the filter through the algorithm that we learn how our habits. This means we are getting to more what we like, but it's also leading to enchamba where we only see one side of an issue or get stuck in repetitive content loops. It's big shifting in how we form opinions, learn new things, and spend our time. The third one is access, cloud technology. Then finally, let's look into the access, how we store and share the platform like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Amazon Web Service, AWS alone. The business and the individual to the store files, running applications, and collaborating in the cloud. This means we don't need a physical server or even larger office space to run the global business. Everything is accessible from anywhere any time. This is the made work more flexible, but it's also bringing the challenges like data security, privacy risk, and even digital inequality. Not everyone has equal access to the high speed internet or cloud tools. So we are gaining speed, convenience, and the global connection, but it's also have same time we are also facing challenges like digital dependence, consistency need our devices, and information overloaded. Too much content, too much little time, security consideration, cyber attacks, data bench, and private risks. Business having the rethinking their strategies. Schools are adapting to the new digital learning tools, and individuals we must learn how the balancing the benefits of technology with the need of the focus, safety, and well-being. In conclusion, the digital transformation is the just about the new tool. It's about how decide the tools and reshaping our lives, our decision, our future. As technology continuously evolve, we will need to stay informed, be responsible user, and think critically how let we influence on us. Thank you.
Well, hi, I'm Akshita Gujari. Well, I would like to explain about the remaining part of the PPT and concept. I have taken three topics affected individuals and industries and opportunities and disruptions and also technology insights. I'll come one by one. And in this, artists and the content creators, educators, students, business employees, consumers, all these people will affect a lot because streaming platforms can offer global exposure but reduce earnings per stream. And online courses provide accessibility but also create challenges in engagement digital literacy. They have a wide spread of opportunities, but they have to face the problems in digital literacy. Without having a proper digital education, they could not able to access all these things because they have to know how to use it before uh, they want to use the digital online education platforms. And the companies benefit from cloud computing but face cybersecurity risks a lot because if you want to do a shopping in any one of the platforms, they keep every information. But until unless the website is safe, the exact website is safe, we are good. But if anything happens unusually, we are in the risk of cybersecurity and increased convenience, but also concerns about privacy and the data security. Disruptions, music artists and very less when compared very less from streaming compared to album sales, and traditional TVs and the cinema struggle to compete with online streaming as we know very well. And the business face cyber security issues as I have described just now. And opportunities like independent artists can have a wide spread of opportunities to expose them. So whatever the concept they had, they can easily keep on online platforms. And online education increases global accessibility before out like before wherever they stay, whatever the health stations they stay, if they had online, they had a good internet facility, they could able to access whatever the education they want. And a cloud computing allow business to scale without any heavy infrastructure cost. Technology impact identity and progress. Technology is not just reshaping the industries, but it is also redefining our identity. Personalized digital experiences shape our taste, beliefs, and even decision making patterns. Education is shifting from a classroom based technology to a lifelong learning via online platforms. And businesses must embrace innovations or risk becoming obsolete. In this evolving digital age, adapting to technological change is key to progress because in this rapid increase of the people in the case of education or medical or in the engineering, whatever it may be, we have to be changing according to the market, according to the society. Because if we do not change, we do not upgrade ourselves with our skills, we will be at backstage. There's nothing like a backstage, but we'll be not on a running platform, running of the outside business. I like to say that it had both impacts and also uses. For example, it has 40% of users, it has 60% of impact. It is they vice versa. So it depends upon how we use, what we use. For that, you can get the results. And this is my presentation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Harika. In this video, I'm covering the topic synthesis of findings, flowing, screening, and accessing uninventable technology forces shaping the future. Industries must evolve to stay relevant in a first digital world. Individuals must adapt to new ways of working, learning, and consuming contact. Security and ethics remain crucial considerations as digital dependency grows. Technology is neither good nor bad. It's how we use it that determines its impact. Coming to broader implications, what does this mean for the future? Education will remain more digital, but we must address the digital divide. Artificial intelligence will play a bigger role in creating and delivering contact. Data security and privacy will remain critical concerns as reliance on cloud computing increases. Businesses must balance efficiency with ethical considerations in a rapidly changing environment. Ultimately, technology is shaping a more interconnected world, offering immense potential but also requiring responsibility. So here comes the references for this topic. We based our research on Kevin Kelly's The Inventable along with industry reports on streaming services, digital contact, and cloud computing. These references helps us understand the broader implications of technological evolution. So here are the links that we got the information, and thank you for watching this video.